Hey, you there. Yes, you. Are you ready to bake? Are you baked? So you are ready for triple B's. Baker's Baking Baked. Today we're going to bake some delicious Ooey-Goey brownies. Do you have all the ingredients? Well, for the base you'll need your favorite cake mix. 1 stick of melted butter. 1 egg. You got that? Well then, let's get started. Did you try mixing that with a whisk? You should use a spoon instead. And for the top layer, you'll need 2 eggs, 3 cups powdered sugar, a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, and 1 more stick of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. Got all that too? Do you have a hand mixer? Well, do you have a whisk and a drill gun? Then try this. You did it! How do they look? Good, right? Make sure you let them cool for an hour, as they will taste way better. Well, congratulations, you just baked some delicious brownies, all while being baked.